Hey guys, it's Wills again. I'm gonna take this thing out of here, so let's get started. Normally I just take it out like this. I'm gonna go ahead and use one of the pry tools that I've been using. For this particular model, there's no screws. Some models, this part comes off. Like there's screws under there, as you can see. You gotta come from like right around these edges here and catch it. There we go. Boom. Go ahead and remove. Take out this last clip. There's a screw on that side, and I've got one right at the top, as you can see there. So here and here. On the other side, let's jump over there. Here and there. Let's take those bad boys out. Make sure you have something for these because they fall. Other side. Remember to detach the radio connector. Hold on, I want to show you guys something. What is holding it up? Oh yeah, I got USB right here. So I disconnect this. This is pulling on that. I have to take this off. And that one off. Alright, got those off. This comes down. Take it back up. That one fell down there. Come here, you. There you are. Now the last thing we need to take off is this guy. You know what? I was wondering why that stereo is hanging on there like that. You can see right here, that's a magnet I use for a cell phone. So this is what I was missing on the other stereo that I took out of the RSX. So hopefully having those extra inputs will help. But look at this. It just came off with it. Look at this. Shout out to Spiggin. Alright, so we got the Eincar stereo out, and I'm gonna go ahead and put the stock stereo back in, and I'll show you what that looks like. Gotta take out those two screws up there to get that bad boy out. Alright, we got the face off. See, there it is. Let's just pull it off. Gotta go in there and get it. Oh, that's what it was, huh? Let's put this back in. Okay. Now let's go ahead and get the stock stereo put back in. Simply match all of those cables with the back of this guy. That's all you gotta do. So let's do it. Alright, the stock stereo is back in. Just put the faceplate back on and clip it up. Make sure it's all snapped back together here. Make sure that gets snapped back together as well. make sure to put these guys back in. Make sure that one's back in there too. Let's go ahead and get this thing wired up. As you can see, I'm using posi tops here, and these are amazing. Harnessed to the old HD5 stereo. Posi tops, posi twist, these are amazing too. Let's finish the rest. I'm gonna have to take this apart and hook up my backup camera to that. Let's go ahead and finish this up, get it all plugged up, and then I'll power it on. Making sure the USB is going back to the glove box. So running that through here, easily through here. Don't have to drop the glove box like I had to do in the Pilot. Had to make sure that I set up the backup camera. I'm gonna do the red wire to the yellow wire. Got the Eincar all plugged up. It's not in there fully, because I want to test it and see if it works. Alright, mission accomplished. Sounds like something's going on with the radio. Let's check it out. I wanted to see if I had this hissing noise that I couldn't get to go away with the last, with the HD MP5 stereo. So the hissing's gone, but I did notice I probably have to replace the backup camera wire because the red wire was a little torn when I plugged it into the stereo. I actually have the backup camera plugged into the aux. I haven't used aux ever on this app, stereo. So we go here, aux, boom, that's the backup camera. That works. Again, this is the Eincar stereo. Alright, as you can see, the best channel in the world is playing through YouTube.
Huh? This thing working? Hey guys, this is Wills.
You can do Wi-Fi here. Let's make, turn the Wi-Fi on, let's turn the Wi-Fi on. So we have the Eincar inside of the Acura RSX. I'll probably do another review video. Thanks for watching. Feel free to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos. Peace.